Exercise on your weight loss program is important. It's not the only thing that's important. For you to lose weight, you need to eat appropriately. You can go to the gym till you're blue in the face, but if you're going home and eating wrong, you're not going to have the results that you want. So there's a couple guidelines for exercise that are important. You have the option. I like to tell my patients 20 minutes of cardio 7 days a week would be ideal. Okay, get it in. Do something you like. If you like to dance, put on the radio and shake it. If you like machines, get on an elliptical, a treadmill, a bicycle, that steppy thing, okay? Whatever it is you like. Be consistent. 20 minutes every single day. Maybe this is hard for you. 30 to 45 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week, that would be good too. If you can be active the other days, park farther from the grocery store, take the stairs instead of the elevator, this will be helpful. The exercise you're doing at work, let's say, oh, I walk at work all the time, I have such an active job. I'm sorry to say your body is used to that. It's not considered cardio. It's adding to your overall health. So yes, that's fantastic. But as far as exercise goes, it's not really getting you any cardio activity because it's just something your body does. You want to put your exercise in certain parts of the day. It doesn't have to be too specific, but eating with exercise is important. First, we need to eat before we exercise. Carbohydrate energy is what activates your metabolism. Otherwise, we're not burning fat, we're actually burning muscle because it hasn't actually turned on. It's also very important to eat after exercise. It maintains the burn. You can trick your body into thinking it's still working out even though you're finished because you've eaten first, so now your body has something to start it off with. Now you're in the middle of the workout. That food is probably gone. What's it gonna do? It's gonna go for fat because it's working. When you're done, if you don't eat again, it burns up that little bit at once, then it stops. But if you eat afterwards, it's like, oh man, look at all this food coming in. I better keep working. Now you're done exercising. The body continues to metabolize what it was given and it goes for more. The more you can get your metabolism going, the more fat it will go and take. The muscles get stronger, muscle burns more fat, so you're gonna have more fat burning. It's exponential. It's like a ball that rolls and just gets bigger, like a snowball, okay? So it snowballs into this great metabolic rate. So get your exercise in. If you wanna do 20 minutes every day and try to do a day or two, at like 45 minutes, that's fantastic. If your schedule doesn't allow it, give me what you can give me, but be consistent because we really want you to be healthy as well as drop the weight.